Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will go over how to withdraw money from TikTok creativity program. So let's begin. First you need to do is open your TikTok account, then go to your profile, then click on menu on the top right corner. Now, click on creator tools. Now, in monetization sections, click on creativity program beta. Now, you'll get into this section. You'll see your earnings and now click on view balance. After that, you may now see your balance. What you can do now is click on the credit card icon on the top right. Now, you need to set up your payout. You need to fill out payment method and tax information. After you did all that, confirm withdrawal. And that's how you withdraw money from TikTok creativity program. And that's everything for this video. If it helped, please leave a like and subscribe.